Hi, my name is Jason Sharman. I'm the managing partner of BSC Real Estate Advisors. We are a real estate advisory company that advises occupiers, owners, banks, investors, developers in commercial real estate, covering office, industrial, retail, and providing services like property management, agency, investment, leasing, project management, capital markets, etc. So I'm here at the 6th Manufacturing and Logistic Awards. It's a fantastic event organised by Europa Property, and the idea is that manufacturers, logistics companies, service providers involved with developers and manufacturing, all the different organisations that are interested in what's happening in Poland with regard to the development of logistics and manufacturing. And I know, working in my sector, that there are more and more companies looking for space, both logistics and light manufacturing. And there's a lot of deals being done with developers. Developers are very active, leasing existing space and building built-to-suit new projects, standalone units, for example. And that tenant demand is driving investors to come in to buy industrial. Even today, I've been working with a very exciting new industrial developer and investor. So. We're very excited about the prospects. It's a great reflection of what's happening in Poland, and I encourage you to come along to the event. I think it's going to be fantastic.